Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room. Do you have craft mats that aren't sticky anymore? Your Cricut mats, your silhouette mats, they've lost their stick? Let me show you how to fix it. So, I have been working on face masks. I have started using my Cricut. I started doing that a while back to cut out all the material so that I could make a lot of face masks. There's a big need and I felt like that's one way that I could give back. So, in the process of using my Cricut mats, they've lost their stick. And guess what? Everybody's out of stock. So a friend of mine said, well, why don't you just wash it? Wash it? I didn't know you could do that. So let me show you how it works. I am back. My mat is dry and it actually has some sticky. Whereas before, I could not get my material to stick. It would stick a little, but not nearly as well as I needed it to stick in order to get a good cut from my Cricut. Now, it's like a miracle. A miracle, and I can continue making face masks. I want to thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe and stay safe, social distancing. I know this sounds like something you hear over and over and over again, but eventually we will get through this and we'll all get through it together. So, till next time. Okay, wave goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
If you like this video and give it a thumbs up, I have to show them what's on my show.
Okay.
You want to see more eggs? And get subscribed.